Hi, I'm talking today with Dr. Raymond Lawrence, General Secretary for CPSP, about the program for the upcoming 29th CPSP Plenary that's going to be taking place in San Antonio. Welcome, Raymond, and thank you for taking the time to talk with us. What can you tell us about this year's program?
Well, we decided to emphasize this year, but not make it exclusively but to emphasize conversations with each other in the CPSP community. It's always tempting at a plenary meeting to bring in outside experts who know things that we don't know and can impart knowledge and wisdom, spirit to us from the outside, and that's fine. But the CPSP community, the members of the community need to be talking to each other and relating to each other. That's equally important. I mean, you can always read books for one thing, but people have written. But the personal connections between us, among us in the community, are vitally important. So it's a balancing act. There's tension. We need both. We need to hear from the outside world. We need to talk to each other.
Would you please tell us about the consultant that's going to be with us at this year's event?
So this year we do have outsiders coming in for this meeting. Roslyn Karaban is coming in to receive the Helen Flanders Dunbar Award, and she will speak about her recent book on the history of clinical pastoral training. It's very interesting that Dr. Karaban has written this history because she's an outsider to the clinical field. She's a scholar and has a long history of scholarship and teaching. So she comes at the clinical training movement with an entirely different perspective from those in the past who have written written histories of the clinical training movement. So this is we're honored to have her with us, and her presence should be very enlightening to us.
And what else is special about this year's plenary?
Yeah, this is the first plenary where we will have Spanish and English concurrently for all events.
Thank you again for taking the time to talk with us today, Raymond. We really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you at the upcoming plenary in San Antonio.